mass media personality Ifedayo Larindi, also known as Daddy Freeze, has expressed renewed hope in Nigeria under the leadership of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Speaking in a recent interview on Nigeria Info FM, Lagos, Daddy Freeze acknowledged that he initially had concerns about Tinubu's administration, but now believes the president's policy are offering a glimpse of hope for the country. With President Bola Tinubu, I don't think Nigeria is in trouble. I was scared initially, but I'm seeing the work he's doing in the power sector, he stated. Using an analogy to describe the country's challenges, he likened Nigeria to an overloaded tipper with a faulty engine, emphasizing that any leader like the mechanic will face difficulties in fixing it.
Is Nigeria in trouble?
With President Bola Tinubu, I would say no. I was scared initially, but I'm seeing the work he's doing in the power sector. Nigeria is a big, overloaded tipper with a bad engine. So anybody you bring, any mechanic you bring, will struggle. The leadership is that mechanic. Nigeria has so many problems. So sometimes us expecting a particular government to be able to just come and fix it is a bit ambitious. But I was worried initially. But with the way this regime has handled things up until now, I'm leaning towards the fact that we have hope.
He urged Nigerians to be patient, noting that the country's deep-rooted issues require time and consistent efforts to resolve. I was worried initially, but the way this regime has handled things up until now, I'm leaning towards the fact that we are finally having hope in this country, he added. While this new revelation by Daddy Freeze has sparked reactions from Nigerians, you might as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.